Hello everyone, welcome to Excel Beginner series. This is video number 9 and in this video we will learn cell style and themes in Excel. So let's start. The cell style. First select the cell you want to format. So here I select the salary column. Then go to the home tab. In style group, click on the cell styles option. And here you will find the ready-made style like the heading, titles, good, bad, neutral formatting. Okay, just click on the any styles and Excel will instantly apply colors and font with the your cell. This is the fastest way to highlight important data. You can see when I keep cursor here in any style, you can see here the preview in this data. You can check, and after that just click on to apply your style. Here you can see the different option is available: good, bad, neutral, data and model, then title and heading, then number format, theme cell style, and here new cell style and more style. Okay, so you can use your cell style it different ways. So for heading you can use this heading styles. Okay, for theme cell style you can use this theme cell style. Okay, and in number format you can see when I keep cursor on currency option, you can see in data is showing the currency is added. Okay, with the some decimal in amount. When I keep cursor on second option, the currency is 0, you can see decimal is removed but currency is showing here. Okay, in comma you can see the comma is added, and in percentage showing. Okay, this is a way you can use the cell styles different way. So I simply select this theme cell style and click on it. That's it. Now let's look at theme. Go to the page layout tab. Okay, and in themes group have a themes option. Just click on this drop down arrow and you can choose from built-in design that change the overall look of your workbook. Okay, so I select here the one theme and you can see the preview in your workbook. See the preview with the font style it change. See, I just click on this and here you see your theme of workbook is different. With this you can upload your own theme also. Same as go to the page layout, in theme group click on the theme option, and here you can see one option, the browse for themes. Just click on it and select your theme those you download it. Okay, if you download it from any Google site, so you can apply here also. Okay, same as if you want to save this your theme, suppose you create your own theme, and if you want to save it, same as go to the themes option and click on the save current theme, and you can save your theme in your laptop. Okay, so that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.